Hey everybody, welcome to the Famous Mommy channel. Okay, this is my hair extra tangly today, so I'm gonna have you help me get through it. If you see before serum, look, I can't even look at this. It doesn't want to go at all. It's really tangly. I got the kids crying in the background. I can't even get through this part. It's really tangly. So like I showed you before, we're going to do the serum. And I rub it on the most tangly parts and a little on the ends. Try not to get too much towards the top of my head because it can appear oily if you do it too close to your roots. Let's see. Okay, there's the serum. Getting all the serum on as much as I can. Just a little tiny bit you need. Okay, now let's try getting through this monstrosity. See how it's very tangly? Okay, well, like I showed you before, what I do is you start at the bottom so that you don't lose your hair. Start at the bottom and gently work your way through without pulling any hair out. See, now I kind of pull the tangles a little closer to the bottom. Then I start at the bottom again and work my way back up. Okay, wide tooth comb. Okay, getting through it. It's a lot though. Sheesh, it's very tangled today. Ouch. See, look at that thing. Okay, so you're gonna start at the bottom, gently get it out. You don't want to pull your hair out if you have long hair like this. So you pull it out and it's all uneven. Let's see, look, I'm gonna get this one out really gently. There goes that tangle. Okay. Uh-oh. It's a mess today, huh? This one's tough. Okay, this is how I do it. This is how I'm able to get through this unruly, crazy hair. Uh-oh, this part right here. There we go. Okay, part it in two sides. And see how the colored portion of my hair is a little more difficult to comb through. Okay, see, you heard that little catch? We don't want to pull that. Make sure you do it nice and gentle. Uh-oh, we got a crier in the back. She's mad because she wants to eat, but I have to get through my hair because I have to get ready for work right now. So, here we go, combing out my crazy long hair. Uh-oh, we gotta go address the baby. I don't know how to show you to breastfeed and comb your hair out at the same time, but if I don't get through these tangles right away, they stay tangled. Hold on, baby girl. Can you give me just a second, please? Eat Chinese food today. I pumped that milk because Papa took care of her this morning, her daddy took care of her this morning so that I could get a little extra sleep. It was very nice. What's up, baby girl? You ready to get out? Yeah. Now my 2-year-old wants to get out of the shower. This is real mom, real life, real time. That's why sometimes mommies don't look so put together, right, girls? Some of you mommies, you got it down. I'd love to hear your success stories or all your tips on how to keep yourself looking perfect at all times, because I have seen some mommies that absolutely look perfect and I just am so discombobulated it doesn't happen for me. I run it at the minute my kid starts crying, I'm running there to coddle them and stuff, so I don't get much time for me. Mommy. No? Yes, okay. I gotta go take care of my 2-year-old and then we'll get back to this rat's nest. It's like baby needed a breast. There she is, eating her breast food, breast milk. And then we'll get back to cleaning out our hair, brushing out our hair, cleaning up this crazy mess on my head. There's the baby. Look, say hi. You gonna say hi? Say hi, everyone. Yeah, say I just needed a little snack while mommy was brushing her hair. So I didn't ask for it. I demanded it, right? Say mommy now, right? You are just the cutest little thing. Look at that little face and that cute little hair. She had a ton of hair when she came out. Look at that little face. You're so precious. So precious, mama. Okay, so I'll be right back with you. soon as we're done with it. All right, let's get back to this crazy rat's nest here in my head. All right, I'm gonna comb this part. Let's see, I hold here so it doesn't hurt me. Gotta get through this part right here. Okay. There, okay. There. All right, now I go in the back. Uh-oh, she's demanding the breast again. Uh-oh, look at all that. Oh, so we start at the bottom of the tangle. Work our way back up so we don't pull out any of our hair. Okay? Uh-oh. We gotta hurry because these babies, I got my daughter finally sitting on the potty. She's singing to herself on the potty. It's really cute if you can hear her. Oh yeah, Cynthia? Did you just go potty on the toilet? Yay! Good job! Very good, Mama. Alright, getting through it, finally. Telling me that serum or any kind of detangling or curl frizz relief serum really works well. Okay. Oh, there. Got a tangle on the bottom right there. Okay, now. Gentle, so I don't have to pull any of the hair out. Now work it up. Okay, we got it. Yay. I think I might need a little more serum for this stuff today. My gosh. Ooh, you hear this? Look at this tangly hair. My goodness, you girls are being good. Thank you. I always have to do pit stops in between of self-care to take care of my babies. All right, let's see here. I think we got all of that. Still, look, it's still a mess right here. It's really thick and coarse and it just doesn't want to go. Look at all those tangles. All right, I think we're good. Now it's time for blow drying. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see. Excuse me for a moment. What, honey? I gotta get the blow dryer out. Okay, here we do. I love this, these ceramic ionic blow dryers. They don't damage your hair as much. I noticed I used like several different ones of these and finally found one that does not damage my hair because there were times where I was getting such split ends it was not worth blow drying your hair at all. Okay, so my first brush, like I showed you before, I'm gonna just comb through. I don't twirl it. My hair even tangles up as I'm blow drying it. You want to try not to hit the blow dryer at the end too much because it can damage your roots. I mean your ends. These are the roots. Oh my gosh. Mom brain again. Now look how this got stuck. Okay, what happens if it gets stuck and it gets tangled again? I go back to my wide tooth comb and get through it so that I don't pull out any of the hair. This is how I keep my hair so long and pretty. So I just love the length and how healthy it actually is. I have a great hairdresser too for the color so he doesn't damage my hair. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Okay, I like to have this one and I like to go in the back of the hair. Just kind of not keep the dryer in a spot too long so you don't overheat your hair. That's never good either. When I switch sides, go to this side. Hold on, I'm something stuck right here. Long hair is hard to care for. Okay, now go back here. I want to be very careful not to get the brush stuck in your hair. Because man, if you get this curled up in your hair, it's a nightmare to try to get it out. I have had had tangles before where I was just so frustrated with my hair. See? That I just wanted to pull them out. But I took my time and got them out, and I didn't have a bald spot on my head. We don't want that, right? It took me many years to grow out my hair this long. All natural. Okay. Just kind of get it a little dry. Not pulling it. On the other side, you want to switch sides constantly, continuously, so they don't overheat. You don't want your hair to get too hot because it can damage that as well. Yeah, just kind of gently run that through. We'll really drying it. Okay. Time a bit. I gotta hurry because Daddy's home today watching the girls. It is a Sunday for him. It's a lazy Sunday. This is the day that Mommy goes to work, goes to classes. So, let's see. Okay, now I'm gonna comb through again. This is how long it takes me. It takes me a while. Combing through. You are so cute, Centea. What are you talking about? Are you singing? More tangles. More tangles. See? More tangles. Even if you have curly, unruly hair, this can be done. Depends on the texture of your hair, on what products you need to use. But my hair's always been naturally curly. If I cut it off, it would be ringlets. But because of the weight of the length, it's just wavy and kinky. Or I would wear it curly because it would be pretty in ringlets, like choo, 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 choo. Okay. Do this again. Uh-oh, see? Look, let me tell you what happened. Look. I gotta be really careful. There, almost got it stuck, so luckily we didn't. Now if you see, I'm going back and forth on different sides of my hair as well, so that I don't overheat any one portion of it. Hold on, Mama, I'm coming. Are you finished going potty? Here we go, another mommy interruption. It's hard being a mom sometimes, especially when you're trying to get ready and you have no one to watch the kids. So I feel you, mommies. Mwah. Here we go. So now that I've gotten mostly through drying my hair, you see how kind of like wispy it is still? It's still a little bit wet. I'm gonna just run through with my comb one more time. Okay. So to get any other tangles, if there are any. It takes a while to get this done. I just blow dried my hair for about 10 more minutes when I wasn't on the camera. Okay, look, see, got another tangle. See that? Yuck. We wanna go through it real gently to get it out so I don't pull the hair out. There we go, we got it. All right, looks like I need a trim soon because I'm getting some split ends again. So I'll show you how to trim your own hair too, if it's long, if you want as well. And as soon as I do trim it and get the time, I have got to go to work. Okay, so it's almost dry. Now I take the brush that has the metal inside. And we do the same thing. We just kind of heat up the metal. And it kind of acts as a mini straightener iron. Kind of acts as a straightener for me. The heat, and then the heat of the dryer heats it up enough that it just makes it beautiful and shiny. And not as fly away. And straightens it at the same time, so it's quicker and easier to blow dry your hair. Get that straightened out. This is what works for me. I've been using this method for years and keeping really long, beautiful, shiny, healthy hair. Never mind that one. Cynthia, what are you doing? Kids running around. Okay, just kind of comb through it. Make sure not to touch the dryer to the actual thing, but you can get it pretty close. You want to burn your hair off, okay? So be careful. All right, look at that. All right. There you go. Now that, because of different requests, I have had some comments that people wanted to see the actual blow dry process so that you can see what I have to do in order to get it nice and blow dried all pretty. Hi, beautiful. Do you want to say hello? Do you want to blow dry your hair too? Are you ready for your blow dry? Come here. Say hi. Say hi, everyone. All right, there she is. All right, now let's see. We're done. I like to do this and look at the hair. Oh, you want to blow dry your hair? Here, let's do yours. You can't see her now. Hold on, I'll blow dry yours in a second. Let me just finish. Okay, see how pretty it is? It's really nice and straight and nice and shiny. All right, well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like our videos. Subscribe to our channel so we can keep making these wonderful videos for you. I'm so glad that I'm doing the videos that you guys like, and all you ladies out there, there you go. That's how to take care of long, unruly hair. There's the blow dry. Take care. Have a beautiful day. Mwah! The famous mommy signing off.